Senator Kennedy said, health care is a right, not a privilege. Let us move in a way. Who can say, Graham, we've started this 6 weeks after your inauguration, just 6 weeks after your inauguration, on March 5th, with you extending a hand of bipartisanship, and many of the provisions that are in our bill are initiatives put forth by the Republicans. And many of the provisions that are in our bill are initiatives put forth by the Republicans.
You know, he's about to address the nation talking about health care. So talk to me about what you'd like to hear from President Obama. Bev, why don't you start?
I want to hear him say that he cannot do it without we, the people, and that he needs us to take the same kind of action that the Republicans who screwed up the whole entire world have done, that he needs us to get involved.
Steve Harvey, what would you say?
I think that whatever he says, I'm going to be perfectly fine with it, because I don't see any of his opponents with a better idea. And until you have a better idea, then it sounds to me like you have no idea.
Now, what we've done is we've tried to take every single cost containment idea that's out there. Every proposal that healthcare economists say will reduce healthcare costs, we've tried to adopt in the various proposals. There are some additional ideas that Republicans have presented that we think are interesting, and we also tried to include. So let me give you an example. You mentioned the idea of buying across state lines insurance. That's something that I've put in my proposal that's actually in the Senate proposal. You mentioned that, you know, that Mike Enzi has previously said that he's interested in small businesses being able to pool in the equivalent of some sort of exchange. So that's where there's some overlap.
When he talks about health care, Tom Joyner, you've talked about this a lot on your show.
Yeah, we did a story today about people are not so much afraid of getting cancer, but how to pay for it. And so that's a concern. Health care in America is a concern of all of America, not just Black America, especially Black America, because as Tavis always says on my show, when mainstream America has a cold, Black America has pneumonia. Well, right now, mainstream America has pneumonia, and we in ICU.
Just why are so many Republicans against more government interference in the health care system and so many Democrats in favor of it? And I think the answer is a much higher percentage of Republicans are taxpayers than Democrats. And the Republicans are the people who are going to be paying for it, and the Democrats are the people who are going to be receiving it.